Attention all siding people. Are you sick and fucking tired of setting your second row by yourself, struggling every single day? Are you almost ready to quit siding forever and take a job at the strip club with the magnet picking up loonies off the stage? Or even worse, hire some idiot to kick rocks for half the day? Hang on just a sec, partner. Introducing the Hardie holder helper hand jobby thing. We're still working on the name. With this simple device, you can hang Hardie with one hand and TikTok with the other. Hold on a sec, just kind of... All right, there we go. See? Just like that. Mint if you fucking squint, boys. That was so easy, my grandma could hang the second row by herself. When you're done, the Hardie helper hand jobby helper thingy pops out of the end just like that. Coming to you as soon as I'm smart enough to do savvy business investor shit. Possibly never. Trademarked by Darksider.